What if you could release your emotional baggages in minutes? Ha, pwede ba to? Parang imposible. You've been carrying around your anger, your sadness, your guilt, your fear and hurt for decades or even since bata ka pa. And posible ba that you can release all of that in just a span of minutes? Did you know na posible? And there's a process that we can use to release that. And what is this process? The process is called timeline therapy. Alam mo, akala ko dati that I would be carrying all those baggages in my life. No, I'm not a saint. I've done things in my life before that I was not proud of. I was so unprofessional, mediocre, and I've been carrying a lot of resentment and guilt in my life. And hindi ko alam that ito pala na mga baggages ko sa buhay, yung nagpapabigat sa buhay ko. And all the while, I thought that I had to live with it. And I was so blessed that last November 2020, I discovered a process that helped me release all of that. And the process that I'm talking to you about is what we call timeline therapy. Yung maganda sa timeline therapy, everyone, is that hindi mo kailangan ikwento yung life story mo. Hindi mo kailangan ikwento yung mga traumatic experiences mo when doing the process. You get to release all of that without even sharing your story. How amazing is that? And I was just so thankful and grateful to experience that process. And imagine in just a span of less than 2 hours, I was able to release all my anger, sadness, fear, hurt, guilt, resentment, and all other negative emotions. So imaginein mo na lang sa buhay mo if you finally get an opportunity to let that go. 'Di ba? Ang gaan ng feeling. Not only that, you heal emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and physically. Because alam mo ba that your negative emotions like your anger, it's causing you high blood. Nakakakos ng high blood pag meron kang sobrang galit sa buhay mo. No, yung galit na kinikimkim mo sa buhay. That's the impact of negative emotions in your life. So, try to ask yourself, bakit ako nagkakasakit ngayon? Are the diseases that I'm experiencing right now caused by disease ba or caused by something deeper sa buhay mo? Baka meron kang mga emotional baggages that sinasabi ng sarili mo na i-release mo na. No, that's why it's having an impact in your health because hindi mo kayang i-release yung galit mo. Hindi mo kayang i-release yung guilt mo. But what would happen if you could finally do that?